Hello viewers, in this video I will discuss about electric dipole. So in this video we will see what is electric dipole and what is electric dipole moment and electric field due to this dipole along two directions. Okay, so we will move on to this definition. Okay, so electric dipole. So it is given by two equal and opposite charges separated by some distance. So we call it as electric dipole. So that is given. For example, let us consider two charges, equal charges of opposite nature, separated by some distance. So the distance between these two, let us take it as 2a. This is the center part of this dipole. Okay. This is a dipole. Okay. For example, HCl, we see that H plus Cl minus. This constitutes a dipole. Okay. So fine. So the next one, the total charge of the dipole is 0. Total charge of the dipole is 0. So instead of this, we see that the total charge of the dipole is 0. So don't believe that the electric field due to this dipole will also be 0. No, that is not the case. Okay. So the total charge of the dipole is 0, but the electric field will not be 0. It has some value. So we will see what is the value of the electric field due to this dipole along two particular directions. Before talking about the electric field, we have to know about a term called as electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment. So generally, what is a moment? So moment is nothing but it is a product of distance into some physical quantity, that we call it as moment. So in case of electric dipole moment, see, it is denoted by symbol P. So it is the product of a charge, magnitude of a charge, because both have equal magnitude, charge into distance, that is 2a. This we call it as electric dipole moment. This is the magnitude. Okay, so this electric dipole moment is created due to this opposite nature of charges, minus q plus q. So this creates a electric dipole moment. So what is the nature, or what is this importance of this electric dipole moment? So it determines, see, electric dipole moment, it determines the strength of the dipole. It determines the strength of the dipole. Okay, so this is the use of this particular electric dipole moment. Now we will see what is the value of electric field with respect to magnitude and direction due to this electric dipole. Okay, we will see the expression for the electric field due to this dipole. See, electric field first case along the axial line of the dipole. Second case along the equatorial plane, along the axial plane of the dipole. So we will see each individually. Okay, we will see the electric field do both the cases individually. So first we will see the electric field along the axial plane of the dipole. Okay, so along the axial plane is nothing but, see, we have a dipole like this. So I am going to find the electric field due to this dipole along the axis, along a point which is kept along the, we are going to find the electric field at some point. Let us say name the point as P. along the axis of the dipole, Okay, so first we will consider a dipole minus q plus q. So here I am going to find the electric field due to this dipole. See, this is the center of the dipole. Electric field along the, so I'm going to consider a point P along the axial line of the dipole. Okay, so the overall distance of this dipole, it is 2a. So this is a and this is a. Okay, so the point P, it is at a distance of r from the center of the dipole. Okay, so this is the view. So here we have a dipole. A point P is kept along the axis of the dipole. We have to find the electric field due to this dipole at this point P. Okay, so here we have two charges. One is plus Q and a minus Q. So we have to find the electric field due to this plus Q and minus Q at this point P. So with respect to these two charges, what is the net electric field at this point P? Okay, first we will find the magnitude of the electric field due to each charges at this point P. So electric field due to plus Q is nothing but, that electric field generally it is kq by r square, kq by distance square. So here the distance, see, k, the value of charge is q. The distance, see, with respect to this plus q. So this charge plus q with respect to this point P, this is the distance. Okay, so what is the value of this distance? This is nothing but r minus a. R minus a. So r minus a, this is square. Similarly, what is the electric field due to this charge minus q? So the value of charge is, that it is kq by the value, the distance, that is nothing but here r plus a. R plus a. So r plus a the whole square. So this is the value of magnitude of the charges due to this plus q and minus q. Okay, so now what is the net electric field? Before talking about net electric field magnitude, what is the direction of the net electric field? Or what is the direction of the electric field due to two charges at this point P? Okay, so we will see. Okay, so at this point P, due to this plus Q, you know that the direction, because from as it is plus Q, electric field will be in outwards direction. So towards this point P, the direction of electric field will be here, E plus Q. So the electric field due to this minus Q, as it is negative charge, it will be in inverse. So this is the direction of the electric field. This is E minus Q. Okay, so this is the rotations. So now we will write the expression for the net electric field. Net electric field will be equal to E due to the plus Q charge minus of E due to the minus Q charge. Okay, so this is the expression. So now we will find the net value. Okay, so E due to this plus Q is given by KQ by whole square minus of KQ by whole square. So when you take KQ outside, the remaining will be 1 by minus of 1 by. Okay, so when you do the calculations, so this is nothing but the expansion of this term, r square minus a square the whole square. Okay, so when you take these terms to the numerators, it will nothing but r plus a the whole square minus of r minus a the whole square. So when we expand this, so E net will be equal to KQ, denominator you have, so here we have r square, so here it is minus of r square plus a square minus 2ar. Okay, want to see whether it's visible. Okay, fine. So here it could be K, Q. So see that R square. So R square minus R square. So this term will get cancelled. A square minus A square. This term will get cancelled. 2AR minus and minus, it will become plus. Okay. So the term will be 4AR by R square minus A square the whole square. Okay. So now I want to remind you one thing, that is, we already discussed that the dipole moment P is given by Q into 2A. Okay. So I am going to replace this equation like this. So KQ here 2A into 2R by so from this, see, Q and 2A, we could replace it by the term P. Okay, so this could be written as 2PKR divided by the whole square. Okay, so now we see that in the denominator we have having two terms, R and A. Okay, so in this particular diagram, the value of R is very large when compared to A. See, just for the explanation, we have taken the distance as 2A. So here we have shown it as very far, very long, but naturally it is very small value, up to micrometers. Okay, but the value of R is in centimeters. Okay, so we see that the value of R is very large when compared to A. So here the value of R is far greater than A. So we could eliminate the value of A in this particular equation. Okay, so when you eliminate it, it could be 2PKR by R power 4. So 1 R 4 gets cancelled, so remaining will be 2PK by R cube. Okay, so that is here the value of net electric field will be. So when you replace this K by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, it could be 2P by R cube. So this is the value of the net electric field. Value of the net electric field magnitude along the axial line. Okay, so this is about the magnitude. Now we are going to discuss about the direction. Okay, so this electric field depends on these two terms. See, depends on this dipole moment and also the distance r. See here the electric field here, it is inversely proportional to 1 by r cube. Okay, it is proportional to 1 by r cube. Okay, normally electric field distance is r square, but in case of dipole, here the distance is, here the relationship with the distance for the electric field is, it is up to 1 by r cube. Okay, fine. So now the direction. So see that the direction of the dipole moment first we have to identify. See, always the direction of the dipole moment is always, it is from the dipole moment direction, or we call it as dipole moment vector. It is always from negative to positive. It is always from negative to positive charge. That is negative charge to positive charges. That will be the direction of the dipole moment. Okay, naturally. Okay. So here the net electric field along the axial line. See, along the axial line, it is also the electric field. The net electric field direction is also along the dipole moment vector. Okay, so here we see that the net electric field direction is also along the dipole moment vector. Okay, so this is the case involved in your electric field along the axial line, along the axial plane. Okay, so this is the value of magnitude of the electric field, net electric field, and you also know the dipole moment magnitude also. The direction of the dipole moment vectors and the net electric field direction is also specified. So this is the case for the electric field along the axial plane. Okay, make a note of it. We will see the next one also. Okay, So okay, fine. Next we will see the what is the magnitude of the electric field along the equatorial along the equatorial that is nothing but we are going to find the electric field along the perpendicular point, a point kept perpendicular to the center of the dipole. We are going to find the electric field at a point kept at the along the perpendicular direction of the dipole. Okay, so see that this is the view. We have a charge plus q here, minus q here. Okay, so center point O is kept here. So I am going to take a point P. So I will take here small point P, which is kept at a distance r. Okay, you know that this is I and this is A. The total distance is 2A. Okay, so this is okay. So we are going to find the net electric field at this point P due to this two charges plus Q and minus Q at this point P along the equatorial plane, that is perpendicular to the dipole. Okay, so we are going to find the value of electric field. So the expression electric field due to this charge plus Q. So this is R and this is A. What is this distance? This will be R square plus A square whole power 1 by 2. Similarly, this distance also will be R square plus A square whole power 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So electric field due to this charge plus Q will be nothing but it is KQ by R square plus A square. Because this 1 by 2 square and square will get cancelled, so R square plus A square. Similarly, the value of minus Q will be equal to KQ by R square plus A square. That's it. So we have specified the magnitude due to each individual charges. So now, what is the direction of the electric field due to these charges at this particular point P? So here, see here, so the direction due to this charge plus Q will be in this direction because outward direction. So E due to plus Q. Similarly, the E due to this charge, because from this minus Q it will be inverse. Okay, so this is the electric field E minus Q. Okay, so from this we see the net electric field will be in this direction. This is E net. Will be in this direction. So what is the expression for E net? Now see that individually. So here we are having EQ. So if we take this as angle theta, this is angle theta, this will be angle theta, and this also will be angle theta. This also will be angle theta. Okay. So if I take this as angle theta, this as E plus Q. So E plus Q will be resolved into two components. So this will be becomes E cos theta and this will become E sin theta with respect to E plus Q. So plus Q is nothing but the notation that is due to plus Q charge. Similarly, we will draw this diagram. So with respect to minus Q. So minus Q. So the magnitude along horizontal will be E cos theta. Along vertical it will be E sin theta. Okay. So see that in both this values we have E sin theta in the opposite direction. So they get cancelled out each other. Okay. So we are having only E cos theta and E cos theta. So here from this net will be equal to E cos theta plus E cos theta. So here we can say that net will be equal to 2E cos theta. Will be equal to 2E cos theta. So here we see that both having same magnitude. Okay, so if we are representing E in case of this two same values, so 2KQ by R square plus A square cos theta. Okay, so now what is the value of cos theta? So cos theta, see from this diagram, there is adjacent by hypotenuse a and r square whole power 1 by 2. So a by r square plus a square whole power 1 by 2. This is the value of this cos theta. So when you replace, so this will be E net is equal to 2 k cube by cos theta is a by 1 by 2. This is 1. So you know that already. I'm remaining you the value, that is, you know that P is equal to 2Q into 2A. Okay. So for this 2Q and A, we replace by P. So it could be written as Kp by R square whole power 3 by 2. Okay. So here also, you know that the value of R is very far greater than A. So when you replace it, you can write it as Kp by, so this 2 and 2 gets cancelled and the remaining will be cube. Okay, so remaining will be only r cube. Okay, so here will be a will be eliminated, so 2 and 2 will get cancelled, the remaining only will be r cube. So now the net, so instead of k I am replacing it by 4 pi epsilon r, so p by r cube. So this is the net electric field expression. This is the net electric field expression in case of electric field due to the dipole along the equatorial plane, that is perpendicular. Okay, so see here with respect to direction. So here the direction of net electric field, see the direction of is opposite to the direction of your dipole moment vector. See here the direction of the dipole moment vector is from minus q to plus q. It is in this direction. We are having p in this direction, p vector in this direction. Okay, but you are having net electric field in this direction, so it is opposite in nature when you are considering it as a equatorial plane. Okay, so this is about the expression for the electric. We have represented the magnitude and also the direction for each cases. Okay, this is about the electric dipole. Okay, thank you.